Hi guys! Welcome back sa ating channel, and if you are new here, welcome and thank you for stopping by at sana makonsider mong mag-subscribe sa ating channel. So, in today's video, I have a really good news for everyone. Sa kabila ng mga malulungkot na pangyayari sa buhay natin ngayon, lahat ng mga viewers natin na nakasunod talaga sa mga videos natin, alam nyo, pinagdadaanan namin ngayon. And I thank you all for sticking with me and sa mga lovely comments nyo. I really appreciate that. It's still very important na hindi natin kalimutang i-appreciate yung mga positive things na nangyayari at i-celebrate yung mga bagay na nakapagpapasaya sa atin. I just want to share with you all that I have been in YouTube now for 1 year. And yes, I am very proud of that because hindi ko akalaing magsusurvive ako dito sa YouTube. Kasi guys, just letting you know, YouTube is not an easy thing. From filming, from editing and uploading, it's very time consuming and it's not easy at all. But that's why I am celebrating my first year here and I'm very happy. And also, as you all know, we just recently got monetized. That's one good reason as well na mag-celebrate tayo. And because of that, I want to give back to all my lovely subscribers. Kaya magpapag-giveaway tayo! Yay! So please don't skip this video because somewhere sa video na to, i-announce ko yung mechanics ng giveaway natin. But before all that, gusto ko lang mag-share ng tips and mga konting kaalaman sa inyo guys. Kasi nung nag-start ako dito sa YouTube, I had zero idea kung paano mag-edit, kung paano mag-upload. And yeah, so I started from the scratch. And may mga tips ako na nakatulong talaga sa akin all through this year. And sana makatulong din sa mga taong nagsa-start pa lang and sa mga taong nagpaplano pa lang mag-start. Sana may makuha kayong something sa video na to. So, first tip ko ay, if you are planning to create your own channel, don't wait for tomorrow what you can do for today. hindi talaga guys. But seriously guys, kung naisip mong yung YouTube ay para sa'yo, gumawa ka na ng channel mo ngayon at huwag mo nang ipagpabukas pa. Kasi if you do that, you are just wasting your time. Second is, work with whatever you have. So, nung nag-start ako ng YouTube, guys, I didn't have my camera. I only used my phone to film, to edit, and to upload. Yung iPhone ko lang talaga yung gamit ko. After few months of filming, naisipan ko kung mag-invest sa camera kasi gusto kong gumanda yung quality ng videos ko para marami yung magka-interest na manood sa mga videos ko. But it doesn't mean na kailangan mo ring bumili ng camera. So, just work with whatever you have. The next tip is be consistent. So, sa mga videos mo, if possible, do it regularly. Kasi, it's very important to give your viewers something to look forward. For example, pag nag-upload ka today, tapos yung next upload mo is 2 weeks later. So, yung viewers mo, parang wala silang ilo-look forward. Kaya, it's very good to upload regularly. And also, one good reason din kung bakit kailangan mong mag-upload regularly is that for you to be able to reach the YouTube requirements na 1,000 subscribers tsaka 4,000 watch hours. Kasi pag hindi ka nag-upload palagi, walang mapapanood yung mga viewers mo, then it means wala kang watch hours. Also, one thing to remember pag nag-upload ka ng videos, make sure na yung videos mo is 10 minutes or longer than 10 minutes. Kasi we're not only talking about the watch hours here, but also pag na-monetize ka na and your videos are 10 minutes or longer, then you can put ads sa middle ng videos mo. Kasi pag less than 10 minutes yung videos mo, hindi mo malalagyan ng ads yung sa gitna. You can only put ads sa start tsaka sa end. The more ads you can put on your videos, the more revenue for you. So, it's very important na mahaba yung videos natin. In regards to your videos, it's very important din gamitin mo yung tags and also keywords. So, nung nag-start ako guys, as mentioned, I had zero idea about tags and keywords na mga ganyan. So, I recently started using tags. Nung pag-upload mo ng videos mo, sa baba may makikita kang word na tags, tapos may box. Doon ka maglalagay ng mga tags. So, for example, pag nag-upload ako ng videos about morning skincare routine, so pwede kong gamitin ang tags na skincare routine, or pwede kong lagyan ng for combination skin. Pwede ko rin lagyan na yung mga items na ginagamit ko. For example, Olay, fairy skin, yung mga ganun-ganun lang. And also when I say keywords, make sure na yung title mo is searchable. Sa akin, yung ginagamit kong keywords sa videos ko is Filipina Australian Family Vlog. Kung yung title mo kasi ay searchable, if someone tried to search for, something na very similar sa title mo, yung mga videos mo is lalabas dun sa screen nila. So, more chances na i-click nila and may magiging viewers ka na. Next one is thumbnail. So, again, when I started, wala talaga akong thumbnail, guys. Kasi hindi ko naman alam na may mga ganyan-ganyan pala. Make sure na engaging yung thumbnail mo. Kasi, sa YouTube, kasi pag hindi ka naglagay ng own thumbnail mo, si YouTube yung magpipili ng thumbnail na ilalagay niya sa videos mo. So, for example, right, kung si YouTube ang pipili, tapos yung mga videos mo, ang laki ng tawa mo, or nakaganon ka, tapos yun yung pinili ni YouTube, then obviously, parang hindi siya engaging sa viewers mo, 'di ba? Kasi, ay, ano ba naman yan, 'di ba? Pag nilagay mo yung sariling thumbnail mo, may mga nakalagay na mga wordings din, tapos make sure na gumamit ka ng mga kulay na very bright para mapansin talaga. Then that will encourage the viewer to click on your video kasi nagustuhan niya yung thumbnail mo. Next one is the end screen. So yung end screen, I just recently figured out how to do it kasi nga, as mentioned, phone ko lang yung gamit ko sa pag-edit tsaka sa pag-upload. Wala kasing option sa phone yung end screen. Magagawa mo lang yun sa laptop. Pag na-upload mo na yung video mo using your phone, you can go to your laptop, tapos you can add end screen. So yung end screen kasi, it maximizes views for you. Kasi while your video is still running and someone is watching it, pwede kang maglagay ng end screen. It will give your viewer the option to watch that video instead of, maghahanap pa siya ng video ng iba. Moving on, yung next na tip na pwede kong ma-share sa inyo is that iwasan ang sub-to-sub if possible. So, sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam kung ano yung sub-to-sub, sa Facebook kasi maraming pages na tungkol sa mga small YouTubers, yung mga YouTuber na bago pa lang nagawa ng mga channel nila, and meron silang tinatawag na sub-to-sub. It means na magsasub ka sa kanila, tapos magsasub din sila sa'yo. I admit, I am guilty with this one. So, at first, nung nag-umpisa ako, I joined sa mga ganitong pages. So, at first, nasabi ko talaga na nakatulong siya kasi tumaas yung subscriber count ko. But then, napansin ko na everyday, bumababa yung subscribers ko. Kasi napapansin ni YouTube kung hindi ka pa nga nag-view ng videos, nag-sub ka na agad. Sabi ng YouTube na spam. So, hindi kinakount ng YouTube yung mga ganun. So, sayang lang yung effort tsaka yung time mo. So, if possible, just work on your contents and in time, darating din yung mga organic subscribers. Guys, may entertainment number tayo dito. Oh. Pumasok yung bulilit ko. Alin na? Can you say hi? Hi! What's that? Ala, binigyan ng daddy niya ng ice. Go, daddy ka. So, ang susunod na tip na i-share ko sa inyo today, guys, is don't compare yourself to others. So, minsan naiisip natin, sabay kaming gumawa ng channel. Bakit marami na siyang views? Bakit marami na siyang subscribers kumpara sa akin? But guys, we have to face the truth that everyone is different. We are all unique and we all have our different styles. Maybe yung videos niya is patok lang talaga sa mga manunood. And you can't really deny that, guys. So, what you can do is just keep doing what you're doing. You will definitely get there. And next one is, be careful sa mga music na gagamitin nyo sa mga videos nyo. Kasi it happened to me before, guys, na pumunta ako ng shops, tapos nag-vlog ako doon. Hindi ko napansin na may background music pala. So, nung pag-upload ko ng video ko, guys, sabi copyright claim. So, now na na-monetize na ako, it means na yung revenue na makukuha ng video na yun, hindi mapupunta sa akin. Mapupunta doon sa may-ari ng music. And, sayang din naman yung effort mo, tsaka yung hard work mo doon sa video. So, yung last tip ko sa inyo, guys, is very, very important. Kasi, I know the feeling. I felt this way before, kaya gusto kong i-share din sa inyo, guys. Huwag kayong ma-discourage pag may bashers o may dislikers kayo. Kasi, guys, ako, every time na mag-upload ako ng video, I always get dislikes. Thumbs down. There's one time na nag-upload ako ng video, tapos may nag-comment ng awkward accent, yung ganun. So, minsan nakaka-down talaga, guys. I understand. I know the feeling. So, it's all engagement at the end of the day, and they watch your videos regardless. So, guys, sa YouTube, kahit marami kang dislikes, guys, it doesn't mean anything, really. So just disregard that. Because honestly, guys, we can't please everyone. So we just gotta roll with those punches and move on. Because unfortunately, that's how it is in YouTube. So, kailangan lang talaga nating maging strong, guys, pag nandito tayo sa YouTube. So, those are my tips, guys, na nakatulong talaga sa akin all through the year. So, hopefully, may natutunan kayo and sana magamit nyo yung mga tips na yun. And on to the exciting part of this video. It's the giveaway. So, for this giveaway, guys, I'm going to select or randomly pick 5 lucky winners of 500 pesos each. Yung giveaway na to, guys, is hindi talaga bonggang-bongga, but I just want to give back something, and we gotta remember that something is better than nothing. So, learn how to appreciate kahit konti lang yung giveaway natin, guys, ha? Naisipan kong i-5 lucky winners, kasi kung isang winner lang naman yung mananalo, 2-5, guys, kawawa naman yung iba. Kaya share lang, guys. Sharing is caring naman, diba, guys? First mechanic sa ating giveaway, guys, is you have to be subscribed to this channel, MomandParis. And while you hit the subscribe button, guys, i-ring nyo na rin yung bell, guys, para notified kayo palagi sa mga bagong videos natin. The second one is follow us on Instagram. So, ilalagay ko dito yung Instagram account namin, and make sure na i-follow nyo kami doon. And the third mechanic, guys, is ipopost ko yung link ng giveaway video na to sa Facebook page ko. And I just need you to share that link to your pages. And that's about it. It only takes 30 seconds, I think. 30 seconds? Maybe 35. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Tatlo lang yung rules natin sa ating giveaway. And I really hope na ma-enjoy nyo. And guys, wala pa naman tayong kita dito sa YouTube. That's just my way of saying thank you to all my subscribers and sa mga viewers ko na hindi talaga ako iniwan from day one. And this giveaway will be up for 1 week, and when that 1 week finishes, then I will use guys, para fair yung laban, to give everyone a fair chance. Gagamit ako ng yung website na random picker. So, ilalagay ko yung mga pangalan na sumali sa giveaway na to. And, yeah, yung random picker lang yung ipapapili ko ng pangalan para naman hindi nila sabihin na aduol man na sa luwag, maong siyang nakadaog. Guys, we're not like that. We're not politicians here. Kaya, yun yung gagawin natin, guys, ha? So, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo yung pag-draw natin, guys, para alam nyo na walang daya talaga. So, I hope that you enjoyed that giveaway, guys. I really hope na mag-join kayo. So, if it happens na you're one of the lucky winners, tapos nandito kayo sa ibang bansa, guys, bigyan nyo na lang ako ng pangalan ng beneficiary nyo sa Pilipinas, guys, kasi dun ko na lang ipapadala yung 500 pesos. And that's about it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching, and please give us a thumbs up if you like it, and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Good luck, everyone. Bye.